Is this the best luxury SUV on the pre-owned market? We think so, and let us tell you why. This is a Cayenne Turbo, which means it is the top tier level trim for the Porsche Cayenne, but this one is equipped with over £15,000 of factory optional extras on the top of the turbo specification. Starting from the outside, this Cayenne is finished in a lovely coat of moonlight blue, which is fully protected by XL self-healing paint protection film, and is sitting on these 21-inch multi-spoke RS Spider design wheels, which are trying to hide these huge calipers. It's also equipped with the Matrix LED headlights and with the Porsche Dynamic Lighting System Plus, which is identifiable by the 4 daytime running spotlights in the headlight unit. And it's got the rear axle steering, which makes manoeuvres in them tight areas an absolute doddle. Moving inside, you immediately get a sense of luxury. The more you dive into all its equipment, the sooner you realise it is brimmed with technology. This Cayenne has night vision assistance, which equips the car with a thermal imaging camera that can see into the darkness ahead further than the human eye can. It also has 360 surround view camera, adaptive cruise control, panoramic glass sunroof, soft closed doors, and this is just brushing the surface of the level equipment this Cayenne offers. The beating heart of this monster is a 4-litre V8 twin turbo engine, and this is boosted to 700 brake horsepower courtesy of DMS Automotive Stage 1 remap. This is a 2019 car, which means there are no OPS in the exhaust system muffling that beautiful soundtrack. The luxury SUV market is scattered with offerings from all manufacturers, but from our findings, at around £70,000, you will struggle to find another SUV that offers the same level of luxury, technology and performance. This car has completed our 60-hour detailing preparation process, which now means it meets our high exacting standards. The car is now ready for sale, so if you want to find out more information about it, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.